There's a hike in Italy so photogenic, it might actually break your phone storage. One second you're clinging to a cliffside vineyard, the next, you're in a pastel village eating gelato like a Roman emperor on vacation. But here's the catch. This trail has a dark side. And no, it's not just the tourist traffic jams or the fact that your calves might file for divorce. So, is the Cinque Terre Trail a bucket list dream or a beautifully disguised endurance test? Stick around, because the truth is layered like lasagna, and just as delicious. Let's be clear. The Cinque Terre Trail isn't your average hike. It's 5 ancient villages, Monterosso, Vernazza, Cornelia, Manarola, and Riomaggiore, linked by cliffside paths that practically yell, "Influencers, assemble." You'll walk above the glowing Ligurian Sea, flanked by olive groves and lemon trees older than your family tree. Every turn offers a photo so perfect, it'll make your followers question their life choices. But don't get cocky. For every dreamy view, there's a staircase that feels like punishment for having knees. Most start in Monterosso, the only village with a real beach, meaning sunburnt tourists, pricey focaccia, and someone strumming Despacito off-key. But climb out, and the trail to Vernazza delivers. 90 minutes of stone steps, switchbacks, and views so good they feel illegal. Then comes Vernazza, seafood pasta, golden light, and buildings that look like a watercolor with a limoncello hangover. Vernazza to Cornelia is where the smugness sets in, until you hit the 382 steps. Yup, Cornelia is the only village not at sea level, so after your hike, it's a bonus climb just to earn a cappuccino. But the view? Worth it. It's quieter here, fewer selfie sticks, more locals side-eyeing you over espresso. Pace yourself. Manarola's up next, and things are about to get interesting. Parts of the Cinque Terre Trail are sometimes closed, blame landslides or too many distracted selfie takers. So check before you hike. Manarola is the money shot. Pastel houses stacked like gelato, a tiny harbor, and a cliff diving spot that'll humble even thrill seekers. Then there's Riomaggiore, best at blue hour when it glows like a watercolor. Extra points if you're sipping wine on the rocks like a sea-drunk poet. If hiking's not your thing but you're all about two wheels and ocean views, check out our guide to the Ultimate Spain Biking Guide, Coastal Trail Edition. It's scenic, smooth, mostly, and way easier on the knees. The full Cinque Terre Trail is 11 kilometers. Not long, but throw in steep climbs, sun, and goat cameos, and it's no joke. Spring or early fall is best. Good weather, fewer crowds. Grab a Cinque Terre card for trail and train access. That train? You'll love it after Corniglia. Bring water, real shoes, please, no flip-flops, and lots of camera storage. This hike is a 4-hour love affair with the Italian coast. You'll pass wedding shoots, painters, and hikers in immaculate linen somehow not sweating. Just go with it. And eat everything. Fresh anchovies with lemon, pesto from its birthplace, and gelato every 90 minutes. Doctor's orders. So, is the Cinque Terre Trail worth it? Absolutely. It's stunning, exhausting, and shamelessly photogenic. Your legs will curse you. Your followers will envy you. And somewhere between Village 3 and 4, sweating through your third outfit change, you'll look out at the sea and think, yep, this is the most beautiful punishment I've ever signed up for. Don't forget to subscribe for more brutally honest travel guides and pack extra memory cards. You're gonna need them.